How to use Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace to buy and sell items easily right from your phone or computer. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an option called Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside the Marketplace, you'll be able to browse a wide variety of listings available in your local area. You'll see all kinds of items: cars, phones, laptops, cameras, drones, furniture, and much more. The listings are usually based on your current location, so you can find items near you. If you're interested in buying something, just click on the item you like to view more details. You'll be able to see the seller's description, price, photos, and location. If it looks good, you can message the seller directly using the message or Ask for Details button. And if you want to sell something, there's an option to create new listing. You just need to add photos, a title, description, price, and category for your item. Once you publish it, people in your area will be able to see your listing and reach out to you if they're interested. And now, let's talk about how to refine your search and start buying or selling more efficiently. At the top of the Facebook Marketplace page, you'll see an option to set your location. This is really helpful because it ensures you're only seeing items that are close to where you live. You can enter your city or town and also adjust the search radius, for example, within 5 miles, 10 miles, or more, depending on how far you're willing to travel to pick up an item. Once you set your preferred location and radius, the listings will automatically update to show relevant items nearby. You'll notice the results become more targeted and specific, giving you better options closer to home. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. This includes sections like Notifications, your inbox, where messages from buyers or sellers appear, and your Buying and Selling tabs. If you've already posted items for sale, your inbox will be the place to manage all those conversations. Right below that, you'll find the plus Create New Listing button. This is where you can start posting your own items for sale. Below that, there's a full list of categories to explore, from clothing and electronics to gardening tools, musical instruments, and more. Now let's say you want to sell something. Click on the Selling tab on the left, and you'll see all the items you've listed. You'll also get access to the seller dashboard, where you can view insights like how many people have seen your listings, which items are getting attention, and manage your inventory more effectively. To list a new item, click the Create New Listing button. Then you'll be asked to choose a listing type: item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale. Pick the one that suits your item. For example, if you're selling a phone, wallet, or any other personal item, select Item for Sale. From there, you can upload photos of the item, give it a clear title, set your price, choose a category, and mention the condition, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. Now let's walk through how to actually list an item for sale. For this example, let's say we're selling a pair of shoes. First, click on Create New Listing and choose Item for Sale. You'll be taken to a form where you can start uploading details about your product. Let's begin by adding some photos of the shoes we want to sell. Just click the photo upload area, select the images from your device, and hit Open. You can upload multiple images. Make sure to choose a clear main image that best represents the item. That looks great. Next, let's move on to the title. Try to be specific and clear. Then, set your price. Now, choose the correct category. Since these are shoes, we'll select clothing, then go into men's clothing and shoes. For the condition, you can choose from options like new, used, like new, or used, good. I'll go with used, like new for this pair. You can also add more item details. For instance, size, 42, which is roughly a US men's 11. Brand. Fit, I'll select Classic. You can leave fields blank if you're unsure, like color, style, or material. In the description box, feel free to give more context. Mention if they've only been worn once, if they're still in the box, or anything else buyers might want to know. You'll also have the option to add product tags, like Vans, sneakers, shoes, or footwear. Enter an SKU if you have one, optional. Confirm or set your location. Choose meetup preferences such as local pickup or delivery options. Now let's talk about meetup preferences. Facebook Marketplace gives you a few options here. Public meetup. This is where you meet the buyer at a public place like a store parking lot, such as Publix or another safe location. Door pickup. The buyer picks the item up directly from your doorstep. Door drop-off. You drop the item off at the buyer's address. You can toggle any of these options on depending on what you're comfortable with. Choose just one or select multiple if you're flexible. You'll also see a privacy option to hide the listing from your friends. This is useful if you don't want your Facebook friends or family to know about something you're selling. Once everything is filled in, click the Next button. Here, you'll be asked if you'd like to share the listing to any local buy and sell groups. This can give your listing more visibility, but if you'd rather just stick to Marketplace, you can skip this step. Finally, review all your details: title, price, description, category, and seller info, and click Publish. Wait a moment while it processes, and once it's live, you'll get a confirmation that your listing is published. You'll now be able to see your item under the Selling tab. If you want to boost the listing later, you can come back to it anytime and click Boost Listing. If the listing doesn't show up immediately, just refresh the page and it should appear in your selling dashboard. There we go. Our listing is now live. You can see it right here on your seller dashboard. This section gives you all the key stats like chats, views, clicks, and how many times your listing was saved. You'll also find your listing announcements and insights neatly organized below. Next, you'll notice your Marketplace profile. This shows your seller rating, the number of listings you've created, how many items you've sold, and more. It's a quick snapshot of your selling activity. Right now, our listing is marked as pending, but you still have the option to boost it to get more visibility. And that's it. As you can see, Facebook Marketplace is super easy to use. You can list as many items as you like and manage them all from your seller dashboard. If you're looking to buy, just click on the Buying section. Here you'll find your purchase history, offers made, alerts, and any sellers you follow. Perfect if someone regularly posts cool or limited edition stuff. Now, let's say you want to buy something. Just click on the listing and you'll see the seller's name and price. You can send them a quick message like, "Hi, is this still available?" Once they reply, you can start chatting, ask questions about the product, or arrange a time to meet up and check it out. That's how you buy and sell using Facebook Marketplace. Fast, simple, and convenient. Facebook Marketplace is a free feature inside the Facebook app where users can buy and sell items locally. You can browse listings by category, apply filters like price or distance, and message sellers directly. No listing fees are required for individuals. It's commonly used for selling used furniture, electronics, clothing, and even vehicles. Safety tips include meeting in public places and checking seller ratings. It's available on both mobile and desktop, making local deals easy and convenient. You can also bookmark, save, share, or even send a custom message to the seller. It's all pretty straightforward, and you should have no trouble navigating it. Plus, you can search for specific items too. For example, if you're looking to buy a new Samsung S24 Ultra, just search for it. You'll see a range of listings with different prices. One might be listed for $400, but with no additional details. Another might be priced at $750, but it's in new condition with fast shipping and more information. This is how the marketplace works. You get to choose from a variety of options, compare prices, and select the best fit for you. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about how to use Facebook Marketplace for buying and selling items. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any future content. Catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.